Ayun.
LB rules.
Yes. Gano. And here's another great news. Nominated po ang Moy Moy Palaboy sa favorite comic duo sa
Yes.
Kapuso. Ano yan? Tag Awards. Ayan.
The category is Kapuso Twosome.
Yes.
Ah,
Sino-sino pa ba ang nominee?
Yan. Mabuti pa ipanoorin natin. to.
Sige, sige. Watch this.
Putot binuguan, kangkong at bagoong man, sila ang paborito ninyong tambalan na hindi matatawaran. Tag your favorite Kapuso Twosome. 37 for Ariel and Maverick. 38, Moy Moy Palaboy. 39, Cookie and Belly. 40, Angelina and Yaya. I-send lang sa 4627. Text lang ng text at may chance din kayong manalo ng cash prizes. Tune in and don't miss the fun in the first Kapuso Tag Awards.